right, so we are back with set one, the vertical columns. We are going to look at all of those columns that are highlighted in red. So we can start off with the first column that is indicative of the total self-confidence for the first row. So the first row reads funny, secretive, I am a shy person, easygoing, calm, not self-confident, driven, inspirational, friendly, and a dancer. So we want to be careful here with the words in column 6 that read not self-confident. So this is one of those instances where you're going to look up the antonyms of self-confident. As it turns out, when I was looking up the antonyms of shy, one of the antonyms of shy was confident. Again, because the word is not exactly the same, we are going to discount that as being synonyms. Therefore, I am a shy person and not self-confident are not synonyms. So we wind up with 10 unique self-concepts. All right, we were good with rows 2 and 3. On to row 4, which reads pretty, a diehard Ohio State fan, talented, compassionate, a friend, talkative, a daughter, a babysitter, competitive, and funny. I think this, I'm not quite sure what happened here, but someone had highlighted compassionate and friend. Those were not synonyms on thesaurus.com, so just a reminder to be careful. Okay, row 5, we did great. On to row 6. Row 6 was tricky. I think it was one of the trickiest ones in this entire set. And the reason being is because we start off with a relaxed, chill person, which if you remember is actually 2 self-concepts. We then go to athletic, I'm a senior, wanting to be successful, interesting, goal-oriented, ugly at times, pretty at times, and then 99, 99. So here's what happened. When I went through and I looked up goal-oriented, the definition of goal-oriented, those first couple words right underneath, goal-oriented in thesaurus.com was the term desiring success. So when I thought about that, I said, okay, is desiring the same as wanting? So I looked those up on the thesaurus, and I found that wanting and desiring are synonyms. Therefore, wanting to be successful and goal-oriented were considered synonyms. So that is how I got to 8 self-concepts, 2 99s, and 1 set of synonyms. This is not something that I would have anticipated that you would have found. Again, this is just me doing it the way that I would do it. I understand that everyone did it slightly differently, and because this is tricky, that's how we found ourselves in different places here. And again, don't forget that I had to add 2 for a relaxed, chill person. Okay, so row 7, we have very friendly, a good person, passive, lazy, wanting to get into a D1 school, hardworking, obsessive, annoying, and nice, and a 99. So I got to 6, and here's how I did that. I found 3 sets of synonyms and 1 99. So the synonyms I found were very friendly and nice, a good person, and nice was another set. Passive and lazy was another set. So when I looked up a good person, one of the synonyms was nice person. I am going to say, and it should be in your code book now, that when someone calls themselves a blank person, look up that full term, good person, nice person, lazy person. See if it's in the thesaurus. If it's not, just look up that adjective, good. So what I found was that when I looked up good person, the synonym was nice person. Because we are kind of ignoring the term person, I considered good and nice synonyms. Someone had, oh, never mind, obsessive was a question with the column of data there. All right, so that's how I got to 6. Okay, and we can see that in rows 8, 9, and 10, everybody did exactly the same thing, so wonderful. That concludes my little video series on set 1's data and going over some discussion points. Please let me know if you have any questions. Follow up by reading your code book one more time, and then set yourself loose on the reliability data, which will be due tomorrow night by 10 o'clock. If you get it to me later, or if you get it to me at 7 in the morning, that's fine. I will wake up, and the first time that I will look at this will be 7 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. Um, and that's when I will do all of the work for the reliability here. So we will have our normally scheduled meeting on Thursday morning at 10 a.m. All right, that's all I've got. Thanks for listening. Bye.